had like a thing of like my talking points, which was on my thighs, and it just fell.
Episode khatam.
Bye, guys. You like incest? He fucked me with a toothbrush.
We are. Who are we?
Dosa, Italy, sambar, chutney.
I don't like bathrooms.
Yeah, we know.
Sandra has not showered in 7 years.
No.
Yeah.
One of my we discussed this. Guilty pleasures is annoying men and pissing men off.
Yeah.
Womp 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 womp. Hi guys, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Zia.
And we are Besharam.
And this is a show where us girlfriends just congregate and we're looking for more. And if you're
The more
watching
the
this,
better.
you're our
You're one of
girlfriend.
us. You're one of us, definitely. Just
You
a screen
are.
in between us.
This is your Saturday night hangout or Thursday night
Thursday
hangout.
Thursday
evening
night.
session with
This
the
is your-
girls.
this is your sesh.
Yeah, I mean anyone and everyone is welcome. It's not only girls.
It's
but
not only girls. But
we
if you
appreciate
are,
everyone.
my God, did you? Okay, so since we're here and since we're candid, I'll just let you know this. I had like a thing of like my talking points, which was on my thighs, and it just fell.
Let's
no
go,
more
Zia.
talking. Episode khatam. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Oh my God. Yeah. I'm putting it back, bro. I'm putting it back,
Okay.
bro. I'll pop you. Anyway,
Yeah.
I want you guys to picture this, okay?
Okay.
You are in a really horrible job.
Wow.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that.
And you're just like, okay, all I want is a Saturday night with my girls,
Mhm.
and that's like really all I need. And you have this plan. You want to go out. You want to go all out. You want to get pissed drunk, okay? And you want to be feral that night.
Yes.
And you're really looking forward.
Like you
to
want
it.
to have no bounds.
You have.
You want to
no-
get dressed up, full face of makeup, get drunk,
You
go
got
out,
all
party.
of your work done
Hmm.
Friday evening. Everything.
Mhm.
You don't even have chores at home.
I think that
Wow.
would be the pinnacle of what I'm striving to
Of
be.
what sorted life could be.
Yeah.
And now, like, like 3 p.m. rolls around. You're like going in for a shower. You're like, I'm gonna blow out my hair.
3
Yes.
p.m.
3 p.m. You know,
Okay.
you have
It's
to
a
go out. You have to go out by
Saturday.
like 6.
It's
Oh,
a Saturday.
Yes.
So 3 p.m. You're like, okay, nice. You've come out of the shower. 6 p.m. One of your friends texts you.
Hmm.
I have loose motion.
Oh, is it? This is gonna sound very scripted, but been there, done that. Srishti has literally. It was me. Oh shit! I am that friend at 6 p.m. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
no.
just had an epiphany. Yeah.
And then, another friend's like, yeah, I kind of caught up with work. And then slowly but surely you see your entire plan just crumble in front of your eyes while
Yes.
you have your goddamn rollers in.
Yeah.
In this moment, you're just like, I just need something comforting that's gonna literally act as a pacifier to me.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to be mindless. Now, I personally, in this situation, I think I would put on some YouTube. Personally, I would love some old Shane Dawson. And that, my friend, is what the epitome of something that I'm embarrassed about, but I love to
Why are you embarrassed about?
Listen, I
Because it's fucking Shane Dawson who's a pedophile.
Oh,
no, I'm telling you, there's something so comforting in watching cancelled YouTubers because I feel they brought in, and this is no way a justification to them being cancelled, or
Hmm.
I'm not getting into that whole thing, but just the fact that these people, even though they got cancelled like recently or whatever, they got something so much bigger to the table that I feel YouTube lacks today. And I feel like YouTube will never be the same.
Never.
Yeah, for sure.
People
Never.
like when we were kids, our top YouTubers were like Jenna Marbles and Gabby Hanna and
Brooklyn and Bailey.
Brooklyn and Bailey, Nikki and Gabby.
Oh my god.
Bro, today kids are like liking Mr. Beast, who's like he's not a YouTuber, he is a company.
Yeah, I mean, see, definitely he gets some appeal to these kids, but I feel it'll never match to. And I know I sound like one of those old people who say, like, oh my god,
I don't
yeah,
think he's like shaping their personalities in a certain way.
They
I don't think he is doing
aren't.
anything to
They
that.
aren't.
He just wants an audience who's going to be loyal to him and like buy all of his merch, buy his products, and that's what he's getting, exactly that.
Yeah, but I feel
And
like
he's like content with it.
exactly, and I feel like I recently started rewatching all of the old YouTubers that I used to watch,
Yeah.
and I know it's the same repeated old things that I'm watching, but it just brings such a different kind of comfort to me that it's so.
I think
To me, it's
comforting.
good because I never rewatch a YouTube video.
Really?
I never rewatch a
What?
YouTube video. So now I have this whole bank that I've never rewatched.
Oh, you're in for a treat. Because
exactly.
it takes you back to that
It
phase
does.
in like 7th
So
grade, 8th
when
grade.
we watched Tana Mojo together,
Oh!
it was new to me.
I was transported
You need
back.
to introduce me to Tana Mojo, I feel.
introduced, bitch.
She
Look
has
it
been
up.
there.
Never had
He
that in me to
fucked
go
me.
and watch.
With a toothbrush. Moment in culture, bro.
No, I need to watch it with y'all. So
No, I
give
get
me the
it.
lore.
Yeah. What? There is no lore. She's just this white girl who's insane.
She is so problematic, but
Mhm.
so entertaining and so fun.
But the
I love
epitome of what a guilty pleasure is. You know,
yeah,
yeah, part of me is like, why am I watching this? But I want more. I
You can't
truly
stop.
do.
yeah, and it's not like I want something similar to. I don't want any experience to match what that YouTuber.
Yeah, it's not aspirational at
It's-
all.
Yeah, it's not, and I don't think anyone ever will.
No, and I hate aspirational YouTubers. Can
I
I, also?
hate it.
I
I
don't like the
hate it.
clean girl. I don't.
We'll never be a clean girl.
Yeah, that's why we would when we were what was her name? You're watching SPTV.
Shreya.
Shreya, when we were talking about Shreya, we were like, we love her because she is
Oh.
not aspirational.
Yeah.
Okay, so I recently discovered this creator on Instagram, and she's fairly like new and she's very small, but I love her content. Like I'm so passionate about how I love her, and I even messaged her like a few days back, and like she responded back saying that how much she loves the YouTube, how much she loves the podcast.
She loves the
She
YouTube.
loves the YouTube, but her content is so raw, so authentic.
I
and
love that.
I love watching her.
She
I
just-
love that.
She made this one Get Ready With Me that I discovered her from, which was Overconsumption Core. And she was just wearing this kurta that she wore in college, and I assume that if she's working, like, you know, she must have graduated a few years back.
Yeah.
She looks young, but like she was like, and this is what I'm wearing. And
Yeah.
what about, because it's so real, because sometimes you have to pull everything down, and something you used to wear 7 years ago is the only thing you can think of wearing.
And
She-
once you made your mind कि मुझे ये पहनना है, any other option seems just so stupid to wear.
Exactly. And I also saw this other reel of hers where she was doing something. She was making jorts out of her jeans.
Oh yeah, that
Okay.
was horrible.
No. It was so horrible. But I love the fact that she posted it because it looked. I'm sorry, it looked really bad.
It looked really
but
bad.
you're so real for posting that
Yeah,
because
it looked good at Capri's,
it looked good at Cambridge.
and then she fucked it up.
But I love her. I genuinely love her. And it's not like she's a guilty pleasure to watch or something. I genuinely love watching her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So that is the difference between a guilty pleasure
Yeah.
and just a pleasure. I feel like once you're able to articulate your thoughts and you're able to justify to other people why you like this thing
Hmm.
or why you think this thing is worth a while, that is when like a guilty pleasure stops being guilty.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
when you stop getting embarrassed.
For
Yeah.
sure.
So
That's
you
why I
watched-
asked you
yeah.
why are you embarrassed about it. If even if the
Because I
person's a
think
shitty
it's-
person, I get it. But like if it's taking you back to an era that actually raised you to be who you are right now, why you want to be embarrassed
I
about
do
it?
not want to defend a pedophile.
Yeah.
Defend.
Like, I don't want to be associated with them at all. Like, I won't go around telling people that, I mean, I am on the internet now, but like, I don't want people to know that I watch Shane Dawson.
It's the same thing as you liking Drake's music.
I don't.
I like some of his music.
Yeah,
I
but
did
it's a
like,
guilty pleasure.
I like one of his songs from his new album.
Oh, bitch.
Okay. But what I'm saying is there are a lot of people who don't like him. They don't associate themselves with the kind of person that he is, but they like his music.
Yeah, like art from the artist.
Exactly. So that is a guilty pleasure.
Yeah, I see
I
it.
think so too. Yeah. So
Yeah.
to you, what is like guilt? Like, what is a metric that makes a pleasure or a habit or something along those lines, like something that you do, guilty? Like, what makes you feel guilty?
I think I draw the parallels between a guilty pleasure and a pleasure is a pleasure, of course, like you mentioned, it gives you joy and you can talk about it, blah blah blah. A guilty pleasure, it it has to be a bad habit, but it doesn't have to be a bad habit. Like there's
Okay.
there's a thin line between it.
So there's like morals play a very small role in it.
Yes.
You're not being controlled by your morals, but you're okay to let certain
Yeah,
things
like you're letting
slip
your
away
heart get what it wants
Mm.
without
if it
giving it too
means-
much thought.
by any means possible. Not any, but
Not
like to
any.
some extent.
To some extent, it is okay.
I
And
see it.
That's why it's not a regular thing.
Mm.
And that's why when you do it that one time, it you are satiated. You feel enough. You feel
Yeah.
contented, and you're like, I am good now. I
Yeah.
can move on with life.
But
And
then why don't you want to do it all the time?
I feel like
because, like I mentioned, it is a bad habit, but it's also not a bad habit.
it is.
So it's like
It's considered to be synonymous to a bad habit,
Yeah.
but it's also a little different because there are certain things like you wouldn't consider listening to a sad song while going through a breakup a bad habit. It makes you feel worse in your situation, but it
even
also
worse.
like in some way it makes you feel good.
Yeah.
So it's not a bad habit per se. It's just something that you're not the
but
proudest
you
of.
wouldn't recommend to other people. You wouldn't recommend other
So,
people to do that,
something,
right?
That's a good metric actually.
Hmm.
I wouldn't recommend, but like I do it
I
and
do
I
it.
love it.
Exactly.
I don't think guilty pleasures are guilty to us. It's just other people who look at it and they're like, bro, that's a guilty
No,
pleasure
no.
for you.
Exactly.
Huh?
Yeah,
think?
because see, there are a lot of things that I do which aren't. See, I know that they're not acceptable by normal people. And I'm not saying I'm not normal, I'm very normal, but I'm just saying that
Sure.
and I know other people also experience this, and it's a very real thing that a lot of people experience. So, for
Mhm.
example, do you imagine like there's just like an invisible camera following you everywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At all times.
At all
Right?
times.
And then you will always pretend or like behave a certain way.
Why do you think music hits?
Oh,
Why do you think?
Yes.
I'm always in a music video.
This.
I am
Perpetually.
Someone is constantly looking at me, and I always have to perform.
Always.
Yeah.
It's either a crush that's looking at me, or like it's just
An
someone.
audience who's in awe of me and
Yes.
want me to do a
who
certain thing.
they're like obsessed with me,
Yes.
and they're like, Sanjana,
But-
perform.
Did you know
Yes.
that this is actually predominantly like a more girl behavior than compared to a
I
boy
don't
behavior?
care about
because
guys.
of the female gaze. Like I'm actually telling you this.
Yeah, okay, that makes complete sense. I do not care about the men right now.
It's about me and me
alright.
only.
Yeah.
All
I
And you're
felt
not
this in
embarrassed
school.
about it.
I'm not embarrassed about it. Like when I'm in my room working out alone, I have to perform. I have to like.
You're Chloe Ting.
I am Chloe Ting, in fact.
I love that.
Chloe
I
Ting
think-
was loosely based on you.
Yes.
She's you're her role model.
Yeah.
For
but
sure.
then again, like, see, I don't want to be embarrassed about some things, but some behaviors of mine are really embarrassing
Like.
for me to like, tell people. So,
Okay.
like, whenever I take a shower,
Hmm.
and this is I'm not unique in this, but I feel like I overdo it a little bit. I shut the door and I'm sitting. I have a bathrobe. I don't have a towel.
Okay.
So I am wrapped up in this bathrobe, especially in the winters. It hits.
Oh, bitch.
And I'm just sitting there. I'm not on my phone. I'm staring at the wall. I love it.
I've done
Half
that.
an hour, 1 hour. If you don't move me, I won't move.
I'm like that on the pot while shitting.
Nah.
That's the normal. I need my phone there. But
I need my
uh,
phone there.
after I've taken a shower, I'm not like quick to be like, okay, I'm
Okay.
gonna change. I'm gonna get out. I'm sat there. I'm under the fan. I'm drying.
Oh, you're air drying.
I'm air drying and I'm staring at a wall. I love it. I can't
It's a me
explain
time.
it.
I do it before I get out of the shower, like before I'm done having a bath. I'll do that.
but then
I'll
that's
just
so
take my
soggy. You're
moment.
so soggy.
I don't care. It's just I don't know because I'm very lazy to have a bath sometimes,
Uh-huh.
and once I'm in, I am at it. Like I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
care how much time I have on my hands if I'm getting late. I need to do whatever I do daily.
Huh.
Like I can't skip a
Yeah.
step in the routine.
Yeah.
It's very
Mhm.
personal to me. इसलिए मैं नहाने को हमेशा लास्ट में जाती हूँ.
Fair.
Because then they're cribbing कि तो बाथरूम हमको चाहिए ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. I'm like
हाँ.
I'll go last.
Mhm.
Do whatever the fuck you want to before I'm in.
Hmm.
Once I'm in, I do not.
I don't like
Want to be
using the
disturbed.
washroom after everyone.
What?
I don't like using the washroom after everyone.
No, I don't mind. I'm always the cleaner. I'll clean and I'll come out. So they're okay with me going last.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
Yeah. You don't clean the bathroom?
I don't
No.
like bathrooms.
Yeah, we know. We know you don't like bathrooms. and
Sandra
that's
has not showered in 7 years.
it. 7 years.
21 actually.
20?
I mean, since I've known you. 7 years.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, so last time you showered was, of course, the day before you met me.
Yeah. Was actually in the hospital when I was born.
But, I was saying, yeah, I am embarrassed about this. Like, my closest family knows because they live with me.
Yes.
But even you guys didn't know that because how illogical is this habit?
You
How
can't
illogical-
explain
I
it.
can't explain it. I don't have a good enough reason to back it. So I am embarrassed about it.
Hmm.
But like while I was thinking about like what I want to talk about today, I thought to myself, man, I really need to stop being embarrassed. Because I like this. Why do I have to be embarrassed about what anybody else thinks?
Right.
And then I
Yeah.
got reminded of Mubaraka, if you know.
Yes.
Mubaraka is one of our friends, and she once told me that anytime she likes someone, she just tells them.
Okay.
Wow.
She tells them because embarrassment means nothing to her,
It's just
and just to
Nothing.
like to get it out and to see whether she should continue liking him or not.
that's such a good indicator.
Wow.
She follows through, and
She ate with that.
She said nothing embarrasses me, and embarrassment is just a concept if you let it get to you.
I think she's my role model.
I think she's my role model too,
She
and
has
I try.
preached.
I try to walk in her footsteps.
No, that's actually
I thought of the same thing.
convent girlies. So convent girlies. But
Yeah.
anyway, like no, that's as easy as it sounds to actually
Bro,
tell
but she
yourself that
does
and
it.
actually do it
She does it.
is another fucking ball game.
It's crazy.
For sure. But
It's
like
crazy.
many people are
But it's
very
so logical, isn't it? Why
Yeah,
should I be
but
embarrassed?
then also many people do get embarrassed very easily.
as long as I'm not hurting somebody, I should not be embarrassed. That should be the metric.
Yes.
Yeah.
So some people say that guilty pleasures are like this. I read this on Reddit, so I don't know. Weirdos are on there.
For
But
sure.
somebody said that it's only a guilty pleasure if you like it and it's hurting somebody else, like you know, voyeurism or
Then
something.
I just have pleasures.
हाँ भाई फिर
I
तो सब
only
pleasures
have
हैं.
yeah,
pleasures.
like pedophiles are hurting children. That's a guilty pleasure.
Oh,
like you
yeah.
feel guilty.
That makes sense.
That's just guilty, no pleasure.
no, that's pleasurable to
That's
them.
pleasurable to them.
Yeah, but for
Yeah.
society
Yeah,
society wise,
it's-
that's
it's-
just
they
guilty.
are guilty. Yeah,
No
guilty as
pleasure.
charged.
Yeah.
Like
Hmm.
lock them up.
Yeah,
Bad.
for
We
sure.
don't support pedophiles here. We've mentioned too many pedophiles actually. What? Shane Dawson.
Drake.
Drake.
Fuck. Anyway.
Are we making money on this?
No.
Not yet.
But yeah, I mean, so there's this other, and I know again this is also not a guilty pleasure. It's just a pleasure, and it helps me sleep at night.
Mm.
So there are days where you don't fall asleep very
Mhm.
quickly. It's not like you drop dead on the bed and you're like, pass the fuck out.
Drop that on the bed. Pass the fuck out. Are you?
I'm like,
Are you
rapper?
cooking?
am I? I don't know. But
Let him cook.
I imagine an entire life with someone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to.
Before, dude, there
You
was
have
this
to.
time in junior college where I was so obsessed with like, oh, junior college, I'm going to make like a new friend group. I'm going to fall in love with this guy in my friend group. So yeah, my entire fucking imagination was like my friends and I are on this 5-day vacation to like some place. We've rented a house.
Wow.
And I'm falling
Love.
in love with this guy.
Oh.
This-
And one of
this-
your friends.
No, this was no friend. This was just like a hypothetical group that I'd made in
Oh.
I
college.
had
What
this
I was
after
gonna say
watched
that-
the trip.
What?
Remember the trip? The show on Bindas, 4 girls and they go on a trip.
No.
I remember
That's
this.
4 more shots.
No,
that's-
I remember that.
You
I
the trip,
remember
right?
that. I remember
With
this.
Lisa Hayden.
Yes, and that other comedian.
Comedian?
But anyway, what I'm saying is,
This reminds me of that because
Yeah.
after I saw that, while I'm having a bath, is when I would picture an entire fucking trip in my head.
yeah, and then that entire scenario used to put me to sleep for like a month straight.
Yeah.
I used to, and then you had
It's
to
better
change
than
the plot.
any podcast.
It's literally you had to
You
change
have to
the
change
plot.
the trope.
You had to.
The trope, the plot, the location,
First
the,
it's
the
enemies to lovers and friends,
friends
to
to
lovers.
lovers.
Love triangle.
Oh,
Bitch,
Love Triangle
low-key-
came in when I started watching The Vampire Diaries because that's like I was
Yeah.
obsessed with her or whatever.
Low key, my favorite trope ever
Mhm.
is
Enemies.
marriage of convenience. I love that shit.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love
I
it.
see the appeal.
Do you remember we had a Byomkesh Bakshi novel in second year?
I think,
Did you read it?
yeah.
It was like
I don't remember it. That's the thing. I remember
it was this phenomenal novel. I don't even know the name of it. We just had a PDF
Mhm.
and I read it in one night.
Wow.
I read and I don't read.
Dude, one of my guilty pleasures is reading smart books.
Yeah.
They're very like college 15-year-old level.
fuck?
No, not
Oh, okay.
I
that
did not-
level of writing
Oh,
and
okay.
that
I did
level
not
of
know you like
language.
smart. Like it's fan fiction.
have read approximately 3 smart books in a week.
Okay.
Is it One Direction?
No.
Then?
What?
I mean, a lot of them are fan fictions.
No, a proper book. A book written by a proper author.
Oh, it was not a
Okay,
fanfic.
fanfics are also proper authors, by the way.
But this is smart book. Book. Like,
After
Sacred Games.
was a book.
yeah.
After
okay.
was a book, and it was also a fanfic at first.
Okay, but I'm talking about books that have not, they're not fan fictions. Like straight up books.
Guys, who's right? Tell me in the comments.
It's not a fan fiction. It's a book.
ठीक है भाई किताब
My favorite,
किताब पढ़ी
my
है कृतिका
favorite
ने.
animal is Dhritika proving herself.
No.
Yeah. No, what was it?
I don't remember.
Of
Sorry.
course.
Go on. Go
Yeah, so I have, that is one of my guilty. I've never told anyone that I actually enjoy reading smut except for Meher because she's recommended me a few of those books. But this is the first time that I think I actually
re-
enjoy reading smut books.
You're really strong.
on. For admitting.
You're really strong.
That's why it's a guilty pleasure.
No, but like
And like I read 3 books and then I just stop.
Yeah. But there's something about
That's it.
media and like the art you consume that, yeah, I mean, I should be guilty about consuming this. Babe,
yeah.
I think there is some music that, especially the kind of music that you listen to when you were like really understanding what you like. Like, I knew at a young age that I don't really like the masala Bollywood music, especially because my sister liked it. So I wanted to be different.
A rebel.
So I started listening to, obviously, Snow White versus Elsa rap battle on YouTube.
Oh my god.
and-
I love that.
I'm not lying. I watched it yesterday.
No!
I watched it
Word
yesterday.
for word.
Bitch, I loved it.
For word. Guys, if you've not watched this, if you're young, if you're under the age of, say,
15.
not even 15, bro,
17.
17. Under the age of 17, look up Snow White versus Elsa rap battle on YouTube.
It's gonna
Mind
change your
blown.
life.
And this is when, like, YouTube was not cool, guys. This is
Yeah.
when
I think this made it cool.
this 100%
For
made
sure.
it cool. I know it word for word. This is where my rap career started. I loved it. I loved it.
I think मैंने जब first time देखा तब मुझे lyrics समझ में भी नहीं आया.
हाँ, yeah.
I think after a while मेरे feed पे randomly आया, मैंने click किया and I'm like, yo, that is peak lyricism.
Peak.
Beautiful.
Who thought of that?
MC Stan.
But like stuff like that, and like Snow White versus Elsa. Obviously, I think a lot of the Disney soundtracks bangers.
Bangers and
The
bangers
Hannah
and bangers.
Montana title song, the Wizards of Waverly title song, Sophia the First title song. All three of them individually have
Bangers.
better awards and accolades in my book than the recent Tyler the Creator album.
Wow.
I
I didn't
fully
even
see that
I
happening.
didn't even like that fucking album. I don't know why people are being fucking pretentious about it.
I don't know.
It's
either.
like guilty pleasure.
It's like no, it's they're being pretentious. I'm telling you, I did not like that album. I didn't understand. Maybe I'm really dumb. Okay, maybe I don't understand high art because I don't fucking want to.
It's
because guess what?
abstract.
It's abstract.
It's so abstract. I can't understand. Like, yeah.
Yeah, because you're not gonna beat like what's a bar that you can't beat, like Hannah Montana. You've got the best.
Phineas and
Then
Ferb.
you can beat that bar. You can
Phineas
beat that
and
bar.
Ferb.
No, you can't. You
Phineas and Ferb. Mom, Phineas and Ferb title sequence बना रहे हैं. Bam.
Yeah, Phineas
Yeah.
and Ferb is one of them. It's added.
Yeah.
Loved
So
Phineas and Ferb.
I now I like rap. Okay. Now is
Mhm.
like from college is when I started like listening to it and I started like liking certain artists.
And then your
okay?
friends were rapping.
Oh,
Zia.
oh me.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you were
Oh.
talking about
Yeah.
later.
later.
Yeah. No, but like coming to that, I remember liking this guy. And
Liked him.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, continue.
But anyway, I like initially I didn't like rap and I only used to listen to rap
now I understand.
and pretend like, oh my god, yeah, I have been listening to J. Cole for like the longest time. now."
Longest. Oh my god,
And-
J. Cole and me go way back.
We go so
We're like
we go
this.
we're like this, bro. And that's how I started listening to J. Cole.
Oh, because.
So to some extent I do credit my love for rap music now to that guy
Yeah.
in some way.
Oh.
But
I remember even another guy noticed you because you were like, oh, you like J. Cole.
listen, at this point I don't remember.
Which I remember.
At my house.
Ooh.
Oh, good lord.
Oh,
Yeah.
the party.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're being so subtle.
Okay.
I love it.
Okay.
Anyway, so
oh yeah.
I think like liking art, liking music should not be embarrassing. Especially, see, this is the part. This is the segment of this is this is the segment of the Beshram show where I bring up Taylor Swift again.
But dumb.
Wow.
Bonk.
Shut up. People have clicked off.
Sorry.
Anyway. Whoa. We should stop.
Yes.
So, I think for the longest time, I was really embarrassed because I like Taylor Swift and I didn't tell anyone. Earlier, I used to never
Yeah.
tell anyone.
Yeah, and then recently she started being so overtly
Yeah.
in
No,
love with
but
it.
I've known you since 7 years and you haven't shut up about Taylor Swift.
What the fuck
That's
are you
not
mad?
true.
Yes.
I
In
actually earlier I used to like her like basic stuff. Now I'm a fan. Like after Reputation, I became a fan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before that, I even to this day, I think her whole albums are not that great. I don't like Red.
Okay.
Okay, like I know, but anyway,
Yeah.
that is also like that makes me feel so guilty because I don't think I'm accepted in a Swiftie community. I don't think I'm accepted in like a general music community because I'm not too much of a Swiftie. I'm not too much of a general music liker. Then, like I feel like an NRI kid basically.
Okay.
Na idhar ka, na udhar ka.
Na idhar ka, na udhar ka.
Yeah.
So, I was thinking was that Swiftie is ashamed a lot, and I agree. Taylor Swift is a horrible person. You know, she's bad for the environment, horrible for. She was good for the economy, but like you can't get
Yeah.
to the top without like
Being
crushing
bad,
yes.
a few people
Yeah.
For sure.
on the way. And you know, she's sly. Some people say that she's a tryhard, whatever. Okay, she's a billionaire. You cannot be a billionaire ethically.
And be good
You
at the
cannot.
same time. Yeah. Fair.
Ethical billionaires don't exist. So like people like dunking on Swifties, I understand.
Hmm.
But then bring that same energy to other places, because I have never heard like anybody being scrutinized for liking sports or liking like specifically certain footballers who have been accused of raping people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody bats an eye.
Yeah.
Nobody. And where does that go? Like, I don't want to make this like, oh, boys versus girls, but
It is, if you think about it.
Taylor Swift, like you look at a Swiftie and you're like, oh, you're a teenage girl, so that's bad. But then when you look at like a Ronaldo fan, like you're like, okay, this is completely fine.
Yeah.
What should you be guilty about?
And God forbid you're not a Swiftie, being a girl, you're not a Swiftie and you like football. Give me your top 3 favorite footballers.
I swear.
Yeah, like who won the 83 World Cup?
Galti se I wore one jersey in a viral video.
Oh,
When
good
did-
lord.
Don't laugh.
No, go on, sorry.
Yeah, I wore a jersey in this video that went pretty viral.
Yeah.
Bro, I had no idea what that was.
I hate that video. I love that video for you.
Yes, I love what it did to you.
Yeah, but I
What
hate
did
Not the comments, but whatever engagement that it gave
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
you. Love.
For those of you who don't know Arya Kothari, like
You know
fine.
him.
You everyone knows who he is.
Yeah, you know him.
It's come on everyone's feed. He makes content which revolves around bringing women down, and he's only targeting women for some reason.
And that's
Or
just
rhyme.
fucking misogynistic and
I
stupid.
actually
And they're
It's
drunk.
annoying.
They're drunk. First of all, they're drunk. They don't know what they're talking.
Yeah.
Secondly, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, just like get over that fucking stupid segment of content that you call, which is so redundant and
Explore, get a
Oh,
life, get a
anyway.
personality,
Actually-
and be creative.
So I did not know before I did that video. I had no idea who he was, and he was actually quite small at that time. This was back in Jan.
Right.
you say it like as if it was back in 2018.
No,
I know.
But he blew up
Yeah.
really quickly.
Right.
Yeah, he did because of your video.
I
Okay,
was about to
statements
fall.
have been made.
Yeah,
No, it's real. They can check the fucking stats if they need to.
primarily.
Sure, but he has videos that have blown up even more. I'm gonna be very modest right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then after I saw his content, I was like, fuck, I maybe should not have,
Hmm.
used that. And then later on I told him like, he called me to another event, and then I was like you could use the other ones if you really want to, because I knew that in that I was not looking dumb. The other
Okay.
videos I was not looking
Exactly.
dumb. And he's like, I'll see. But he never ended up posting those. And I was like, okay, so this was very intentional.
Yeah, it was definitely intentional. No, he
Then
wants
I
to
was
make
like,
people seem dumb.
Then I was more like, wow, this guy's doing not a great job. And I'm not saying that it's your responsibility to make Instagram a great place. It's really not.
But if you can do it on your part, why are you going against it?
See, I don't want to be an influencer who's like grazing children. Genuinely,
Yeah,
I'm
dude.
not.
It's a stressful position to be in.
I'm
Nah.
not that responsible. Don't give me that responsibility.
Yeah, for sure.
If your child is watching me, they're watching me. You should be the one that's supervising them.
Yeah.
Not me.
If 3,000 people follow me, I can't go to 3,000 houses, but 3,000 parents can see each one of their
Yeah.
kids.
Yeah,
Yes.
true.
6,000 parents actually.
Yeah, 6,000 parents. Not everyone has.
Double.
Sabki nahi hoti lucky.
Lakshman.
Lakshman.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that like I don't know what to feel honestly, because I know him, and he's not that douchey IRL. I don't know why he.
Maybe he might not be. We don't know. I've never met him personally. I've never spoken to him. But
I'm
like,
also a horrible judge of character.
no, but like from his online presence, it doesn't seem
Yeah.
like what he's putting out is like his best work.
Guilty. We should have had the.
Yeah.
If you
little
say he's not a
thing.
douche, why is he putting out content that makes him look like one?
Whenever I met him,
Hmm.
he was not douchey. Is what I mean.
So he's probably doing it for the numbers.
He's doing it for the numbers, and you can't lie, bro. The numbers are big.
That might
But
be
numbers are big, yeah, for sure. I agree.
guys. That might be his guilty pleasure.
That might.
but nah.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
Poisoning a whole generation's brains.
Love.
Nah.
Guilty. That's
Guilty
more
as
like that could actually be a guilty pleasure because you are hurting other people.
Yes.
Why did I go?
Peepholes? I
No,
love that.
I said hurting, so I had to say peephole because then it would just look like I'm trying to do a Pakistani accent. Hurting. Why do they talk like that?
I love listening to their accent. My guilty pleasure. Listening to Pakistani Hindi.
Yeah.
It is so good.
Yeah.
The
It's
The
Urdu.
vocab?
It's Urdu.
No, they talk in Hindi also, na?
That's Urdu. Urdu is like Hindi.
Okay.
What they talk in Pakistani serials is Urdu.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was
so
so
The
innocent.
Pakistani serials are a big, like, guilty pleasure.
Yeah.
Actually.
Sunu Chanda.
Sunu Chanda is old. Like, it's washed up.
The only one show I've watched, and I think I've watched it 3 times.
3 times.
Both the seasons, from the start to end.
अरे भाई.
3 बार देखा है मैंने.
There's only one that I watched completely, and I was fully in love. It was called Pyar Ke Sadke.
I think you've told me to watch that.
Yeah, and you haven't.
I haven't.
It's genuinely a piece of art. It's so good. Pyar Ke Sadke, if you guys want to
It's
watch
on
it.
Hum TV
YouTube.
only?
It's on YouTube. It's probably ARY or Hum. One of the two. But yeah, those are the big. But like, my papa and Shiru and my mom and my dad also,
Love.
all of them, they just like they have like they've subscribed to these channels and they will like they have like their weekly cycle. And like papa and Shiru not that much. Not even my parents. My fuppi, my bua, she has like 2 serials every day to watch. Because they post every day, right?
Yeah.
Like
Right.
these channels like have like what 30 serials going on all at once, and
Yeah.
she watches all of them.
You know why I loved
All.
Sunu Chanda?
Wow.
Was because it like the seasons, it came out during Ramzan.
You don't celebrate like and you don't indulge in Ramzan.
I know, but I just found that really interesting.
Okay.
Like they are fasting in the show, they're celebrating Ramzan in the show, and they post that
Oh.
also during Ramzan. That's damn
Oh,
fun to
that's
think
cool.
about.
That's cool. I did not know that.
You have
You like incest?
no.
That's what Sana Chanda is.
I know.
Oops.
I
They-
know.
You know they live in the same house and then they get married
Love.
like cousins.
Like
Interesting. Guilty pleasure.
no.
I live in a joint family, bitch. Do not.
No, but right. Speaking about accents, I love randomly during the day when I'm making my coffee. I like talking to my coffee in like an English accent.
English accent, yeah.
And like
Nah.
it's so fun. Like when you're like mixing the coffee with the sugar, with the sugar.
Sugar.
Oh, like,
Sugar.
or like pouring the milk into it. I'm like, is it too hot? Is it too hot for you?
Is it too hot?
Whoa.
I don't know
Whoa.
why. I don't know why I do that.
Personification. Who?
That's so- Today's cup is a little frothy, isn't it?
No, but like doing random things, random chores around the house or like random activities and just talking to yourself.
Yeah.
Talking dramatically, like
Yes.
as if, again, like the camera following
Dude.
you. You never know when you're going to get auditioned
You never know.
or when you're going to get
Like,
selected.
what?
Dude.
What if there's actually a camera?
What if?
What if?
What if I
Yes.
can't see?
What
What
if
if?
this
Is there a
is a
camera?
show?
Oh my god, are we being recorded?
Oh my god, bitch!
Oh
Are
my
we?
god. Shit.
No way.
Dude, I don't think we are.
This is not a prop. But now that I've started doing this new thing, so she watched an Irish show and I watched an Irish
I
show.
love that.
No, you're good at that. But yeah, now we just say things randomly in an Irish
Oh my
accent.
god, I love it.
I'm Irish.
I'm
Like,
Irish love.
I love it. I love it so much.
I know.
Even like, if you remember Saoirse Ronan,
I love her.
right?
Saoirse
But-
Ronan.
Oh yeah.
Saoirse Ronan. Somebody said,
मुझे उससे समझा. The accent से.
what Ireland is to bisexual women right now is what Japan was to straight men, and that makes a lot of sense. If you know, you know.
I don't.
I don't.
You don't get it.
No.
I don't.
Well, it's like men in Japan, you know,
Okay.
good food, anime, sex toys,
Okay.
like that. And now, like bisexual women are like Irish.
oh. Oh, you were like Irish.
Somebody wanted to see that fucking bicep curl look for you.
Irish.
Don't cut that out.
Make that into a sticker.
No, I know this. I know this bitch would.
I need it.
Anyway.
Speaking of watching shows, one of my guilty pleasures is watching old seasons of Splitsvilla, because I remember watching them when they came out, like when they were out, and they were like, I was
They were
proud
releasing
that
it,
I
yeah.
was I would watch Splitsvilla, but feeling up around. Yes, real. But then as when you grow up, you're like, thoda cringe hai. But now I love rewatching those old episodes on Snapchat. Snapchat has this one thing where it like I don't know
Right.
what my Snapchat is up to. Do
Your
not ask me.
Snapchat TikToks.
Yes.
Stop it.
And
It's very easy. The Snapchat TikTok feature. Every app has a TikTok feature.
Okay, and
Your guilty pleasure. Your guilty
Pleasure.
pleasure. My favorite accent is Bihari. Bubbly tero mobile. Babe tere smile.
Gigi.
Oh my god, don't get
no,
her out.
No, Gigi is.
Gigi is
home.
my alter ego.
Anyway, so what was I saying? Yeah,
TikTok
your guilty
feature.
pleasure should have started with I use Snapchat.
I don't. Dude, I don't. Trust me, I don't.
Unpopular opinion: if you're using Snapchat, don't.
Genuinely.
It's very popular opinion.
It's honestly, I have given
so
this
many
a thought,
people, so many adults still maintain streaks. It's so lame,
but like
and they think it's cool.
I've given this a proper
No.
thought, and I'm like,
Yes,
By
you don't.
the
You've
end
not.
of-
maybe I've not known such people.
I'm glad you
तेरे
haven't.
phone में app है ना?
Huh.
तेरे भी
But
phone में
that's for
delete
like
कर दिया मैंने.
no, that's for like
मुझे करना है.
a recording because it has a good ring light and good filters.
Fair,
But Instagram has.
no,
They-
Snapchat
their-
camera is better.
Their ring light is good. No, see Snapchat like camera is a little it just blurs you out a little bit, but
Yes.
the ring light is really good.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah,
don't have
what
a
were you
ring light.
saying?
Yeah, Split they have properly curated the best parts of an episode, like a 30-minute episode, into one like that rectangle thingy.
I know what you're talking about. I used to do that for Khatro Ke Khiladi.
That too.
Yes.
That too. And it's perfectly curated. It gives you whatever drama team, whatever
Yes.
interesting has happened in
Yeah.
that episode. And I have watched an entire season bethe aise. I love
Wow.
it.
Actually, I used to
I love
I used to really like this one Snapchat show. Snapchat used to produce their own shows.
Which
Back
was
in the
cool.
day,
Snapchat
It
was
was it was their most popular one. It was called Phone Swap. Don't you remember?
No.
Oh
Describe it. I might know.
Dude, this show was batshit, bro. I don't know if I don't know if Snapchat still does it.
Mm-hmm.
But it was just basically it was a show where two people are on a blind date and they switch phones and they have to go through each other's phones
Oh,
and
I've
then
not seen
decide-
that.
This
and
is
then
like that
decide if they
movie.
want a
Khushi-
second date.
This is
Love
like the
Yapa.
movie Love Yapa.
No, but then they decide on the spot. It's a half an hour thing.
Yeah, but like same concept.
I
if
have
you
not
think
watched
about
Love
it.
Yapa,
Little bit
actually.
creativity.
This Phone Swap was when we were in school.
Oh,
I've not watched
Yeah,
it.
when they had
Wow.
just started producing shows, and I think Snapchat peaked, and then like actually Snapchat peaked when they launched Bitmojis and the map.
And you could like give an outfit to your
But
emoji.
Yeah.
Snapchat has done a lot of cool shit, huh? Like it's. I find Snapchat to
Dude,
be really cool.
Snapchat was the first one to come up with filters. Those dog, the
I mean,
Yeah.
I think
That's the
Snapchat
cool
is one
shit.
of the only few platforms that has survived even after Instagram basically ripped them apart.
Yeah.
Yes, for sure.
I see
Because
that.
if you guys, I think I can imagine like 12, 13-year-olds watching this and not understanding what we mean. But the stories used to not be on Instagram, guys. Stories was strictly
Yeah.
Snapchat.
Strictly Snapchat.
Instagram stole the stories bit from
Yeah,
Snapchat.
and then Instagram has made highlights out of them, and
Hmm.
highlights are going to go on your grid. It's just insane. Like I think we were able to see an evolution of social media like no other generation.
True,
For
true,
sure.
true, true.
Ooh, wow.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But yeah, what were you saying about the show?
Phone swap. Yeah.
swap.
That's
Achha,
fine.
okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I think I don't remember if it was from Snapchat that I started watching this specific thing that I know you know about. It's called Dr. Pimple Popper.
Ew! No!
Hear me out.
No!
I find those videos so
I'm
satisfying,
pissed off.
so comforting, dude.
Same actually. Dude.
Ugh.
Bro, I literally
love
there
it.
are times where there are these certain, and I know we've discussed this before on a trash TV, but we didn't discuss this at length. There were certain shows like My Strange Addictions,
Yeah, my
Dr.
strange
Pimple
yeah.
Popper, and there was I don't remember which one, but
Extreme couponing.
I don't remember.
Extreme cheapskate.
Fuck it. But basically, it was just these 2-3 shows that I used to watch on I used to not watch it on TLC back then. I used to watch it on
On
YouTube,
YouTube,
or
yeah.
like Instagram or Snapchat or whatever. But just like a pimple popping video.
It's so
It's
and
so
when
satisfying.
a big
Disgusting.
blackhead just like
Oh,
pops out of that
ah.
one thing. Oh, bitch, I love it.
No, I don't even
wow.
like it when it's on
love
me.
it.
I love it when it's on me.
You like it when it's on you?
Yes, I love doing that, and it comes off like one
Yeah.
touchuk.
No, I'll tell you what. You guys know
Yeah.
my most recent pimple. Did you know she popped?
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yay.
I had to put a band-aid on her.
Oh, no.
I didn't
Is she
want her
good
to
now?
bleed.
Is she good now?
Hey, she's left a scar.
Oh no.
Okay, she comes from war. We love her.
Yeah.
She's a
been through
veteran.
lot.
She's a veteran.
She's been through a lot.
If you guys knew what we were talking about, I think you would cry.
No, but it was that, and it was my strange addictions, and I don't know why. Like, I'm telling you, like, white people are fucking crazy.
Fucking crazy.
Like, that show had the wackiest people coming on with their weirdest addictions, and I don't know, like, I'm pretty sure I don't even know what kind of audience this show got on, but whatever they did, they were doing a great job because I loved it.
I
Yeah.
loved it.
I
This
loved.
is-
There was this one man who had a sexual relationship with his vehicle.
Yes.
He used to
Huh?
touch certain parts of his car
And get turned on.
and get a hard on.
Oh, I genuinely thought he would stick his dick in the little hawa thing.
Silencer.
Oh my
Exhaust.
God.
In the exhaust. Like that,
Ouch.
I mean, that's the only hole I could think of.
Yeah.
that makes sense.
That makes sense.
That makes sense. But like, imagine,
Dude, I think वही
him
से आया
touching-
है ये line. पता है many men say silencer में देने का मन करता है, इतना hot गाड़ी है, इतना sexy गाड़ी है.
Yee! कौन बोल रहा है ये?
What?
कौन बोल
This
रहा
is the
है ये?
dark side of the car community. Like I'm
Car
not in the
community.
car community, but
No,
like
you
I've
should-
seen
you should be proud.
reels.
What?
I've seen reels, and they like see a car go by, and they like somebody in the background is like, "Hi, इसका silencer में देने का मन करता है."
भाई गरम होता है साइलेंसर, कभी जली है साइलेंसर से?
It's disgusting.
भाई साइलेंसर से क्या जलती है ब्रो?
चिपकती है, skin फूक जाता है.
हाँ
That bad.
Bro, you give them a hole. I'm telling you.
Give them a hole.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, bitch.
What
Wow.
the fuck, Ritika?
That shit.
I said you the dark side of
Guilty.
it. Yeah, don't guilty the fuck.
We should
Punk.
really have
You
that.
should, like a fat noise.
Dude, edit it.
Womp, 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 womp.
Can we? Is that soundboard there? We have
Right?
this, guys.
Wow.
I was too good. Maitri, I was too good.
If you would like for us to have like the best soundboard ever with our most bestest inside jokes ever,
Yes.
comment down
yes.
below, because I'm telling you, it's gonna make it infinitely better.
Infinitely.
Infinitely better
Infinitely.
experience for you guys and for us.
Yeah. So there was this time when I was working and my sister was studying. So like मैं पूरा दिन घर के बाहर होती थी, and I would come home from work, and then she's studying, and then there's this time where all four of us have just stopped doing this is like a everyday thing for all four of us, where like it's even if we collect like in the hall for one show, we are not working, we're not doing anything else, we're just in the hall and we're watching that show
Family
together.
time.
Yes. And then mama's gone to sleep, papa's gone to sleep, didi मैं अपने कमरे में blah blah blah. This one time I randomly just remembered of स्वामी ओम वाला बिग बॉस सीजन, और मैं और मेरी बहन, बिकॉज हमने वो सीजन देखा था जब वो एयर हुआ था, मतलब मम्मा पापा दीदी मैंने साथ में देखा था वो, तो मैं बस ऐसे ही रैंडमली अपनी बहन से बात कर रही थी कि डू यू रिमेंबर दैट शो, दैट वाज फकिंग क्रेजी, लाइक दिस गाय वाज cuckoo in the head, and she's like, do you want to watch it?
No.
And
When
it's
she
always
matches
that-
your free.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
always that question. Do you want to watch it? Do you
do you
want
want to watch it
Yeah.
again? And I'm
It's
like,
over.
let's do it. And then every day after I would come from work and like dinner was done and that regular show was seen, मैं और मेरी बहन अपना बिस्तर वगैरह सब, you know, we've changed into our night suit and everything, and then we would come and watch one episode and then sleep.
Oh.
I love that.
That was the peak of hate watching.
Yeah.
Peak of it. Like we know what's coming, we know what to
Yeah.
expect, but
Mm.
it's just so much fun in that knowing and watching it with someone who knows that.
No,
I love it.
I
Yeah.
get it, because there's something so real about hate watching someone's Instagram.
Oh,
Oh.
Yeah.
No, we have like we
We have like a list of people.
As a group, we have a list of people whose posts are all up in our group chat.
Yes.
Trust me, we are horrible to them.
we oh my
We
god.
berate them, bro. They didn't do
sometimes,
anything wrong.
Sometimes, we are not girls.
we are
We
not.
really are not.
In our group chat, we are not girls.
We're not.
We're not.
We are. Who are we? We don't know. We don't know.
We're done. Nah.
We don't know.
We're down now.
What the fuck was
I
that? No, but like we have a dedicated list of people who I think
And
every
if we
monthly,
start,
They can't redeem themselves. No matter what they do, we will
they
make
are
fun of them.
NPCs
and if we started
No,
one,
they're not.
in our lives.
no, if we started one, we need to see the rest. We
Yeah.
can't just
Yeah.
end at one and be like, now we're done. No, bitch.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch that same reel for the 100th time. Make the same joke for the 100th time.
Laugh
And
at
laugh.
the same
Outfit.
outfit
Yes.
at the same
At this for the
thing
same 100th time.
100 times.
We're so mean sometimes.
I love it. And
No, bitch,
what?
I love it. Why
I love
not?
it. I love.
Imagine she hears it.
She doesn't know that that's her.
She doesn't need to know it.
But like imagine like you don't feel empathy or what?
No.
मैं उसके मुंह पे जाकर नहीं बोल रही हूँ उसको.
I don't know. I say every time I'm
Neither
talking
am I
shit,
commenting.
I do feel bad.
No, as long as the other person cannot hear what you're saying, it's all good.
So it's, as long as it's not hurting anybody, the
Yeah.
guilty pleasure is just a pleasure.
Yeah, because see, our podcast, our personal profiles are very well being hated upon by multiple
Just because
people.
you're getting hated upon doesn't mean you hate other people.
No, but what I'm saying is it's okay because it's a very natural progression. It's a very natural phenomenon to hate
Yeah.
someone.
Actually, yeah.
I
That
mean,
makes a lot
as
of
long as
sense.
you're not acting on it and making it known that you
don't like
hate
them.
them or like you're putting them
It's
down
all
in
fine.
some way.
It's all fine.
I think it's a great way to bond
I
with
even
your
love,
with your friends.
For sure.
hate watching certain Netflix shows. Yes, Emily in Paris is one of them. I
Too
can't.
hot to handle.
I've never watched that. But Emily in Paris is something I wait to hate watch.
Yes.
It's so bad.
Yeah.
There's one more show.
Actually, you know what I wait for? Then okay, so I'll break this down for you. I like watching Emily in Paris because there's this very sassy French guy. His name is
Love.
Jean.
no, Space Ninja, friendly Space Ninja.
Oh.
He's a YouTuber
Okay.
and he
Is he
just
curly hair,
no
white.
faceless
Oh.
faceless YouTuber.
Wow.
And he makes every year after the Emily in Paris season comes out, he just makes a video on it and what they should have done. And I just love listening to that 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour long video
Whoa.
of his. I just love that. That's why I watch the show.
I get it.
Okay. Fair.
I don't know. I can't justify it. I'm not
Yeah,
proud of
no,
it. I'm
makes
not
sense.
proud of
Love that.
10 hours of my life getting wasted.
It's not waste. It's genuinely not waste. It's peak content.
It's
Peak content.
It's not even Emily in Paris. It's the guy.
Still, it's still, I mean, I liked I didn't like the first season, but it was a very rosy picture of what this girl in
Yeah.
marketing in Paris is all about.
Yes.
I liked that. I gave into that ideology. From the second season onwards, I was like, "Bhenchot, kya hai ye?"
Real.
And then from the third season onwards, I didn't even bother to watch it.
Second
Yeah.
season, bro.
I couldn't. I
I
couldn't.
watched it so I could have an opinion on it and I could discuss it because I remember Zia telling me it's a fuck all show. Don't watch it. But I'm like, I'm gonna watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, but
मैंने उसके
after
घर
a
पे
po-
बैठ के देखा है.
I know we were getting our nails done that day,
Yes.
and I didn't. It was right there. It was on the TV, and I didn't bother to watch it. I was like, I cannot do this. I cannot do this.
Yeah. The second
Hmm.
season, in fact, I watched at a stretch. All at
Oh, yeah,
once.
I remember you telling me this.
Wow.
I
it was
had
a night.
COVID.
It oh
Was
oh
I had COVID. I was quarantining. Quarantining? Is that how you say it? I don't know.
quarantining.
Quarantining. What do you do when you're locked in a room?
Fair.
Yeah, I think that was me with Too Hot to Handle. But it's funny.
You had COVID?
no, I didn't
Hate watching.
hate watching.
Ah,
But
okay.
it's funny because I started Too Hot to Handle like any other person because eye candy. All of them are like smoking hot.
Mhm.
And I was like, oh my god, it's multiple hot people stranded
Hot people
somewhere.
are not attractive to me.
Hot people and oh my god, unpopular opinion, ugly men slap.
No, but
Ugly
hot.
man slap.
More of an unpopular opinion is hot people are unattractive.
Hot people are very unattractive.
Yes.
They're not appealing at all.
The fact
Who are
that-
they appealing to?
The fact that everyone wants them is so unattractive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right?
And the fact
Wow.
that they know that.
They know that and they're cocky about it. And it's so rare to
Okay,
find a
you
hot
can
man.
be
Not for
attractive.
me.
You can be attractive. You can own it.
But
don't
stop sucking your
rub
own
it on
dick.
everybody's
Did
faces.
you know there was this one guy that was like, okay, I'll just spill. Who cares? He kind of slid into my DMs, and then like at that time he was very boring.
Hmm.
Okay, but then I was like, okay, मेरे प्यार में पागल है क्या ही करूं?
मैं
होता
इतनी भी सुंदर नहीं हूँ.
होता है bro, होता है. मैं भी होती तो मैं भी प्यार में पागल बन जाती.
Real.
Okay, and then now I don't know what has gone on to him. I think he started going to the gym or something. He started posting all these shirtless pictures.
Ew.
And now he's become so unattractive to
Ew.
me.
Men at the gym and who post shirtless pictures. I don't
See,
like it.
I will agree.
As long as
he's,
it's being sent to me personally, I don't mind.
Yeah, but not
he's
like
built a
bombarding
great,
you.
Yeah.
he's built a great physique for himself. I'm
Okay.
not
Love
hating
that
on
for
him.
him. Love
Love that for him.
And he likes to flaunt it. Go for it.
Great. But you're just not attractive to me.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Actually, I found you attractive before.
Yeah, with a dad chub. I said it. Robert, oh my god.
What?
New show concept. Get people with dad and mom boards and put them on a too hot to handle thing. I think that would work for me.
I think
I
they're
would
not
be the
going
only
for-
watcher.
No, that's not what it is.
Whoa.
The thing is,
Okay.
that too hot to handle only works because they are hot.
But who are they hot to? I thought people.
They're hot too.
What about the not hot people? We need
No,
representation.
And also, like, they don't want to be like, okay, we are only representing hot. Wait, it's called too hot to handle. This is so
Dude,
silly.
I think
We're being so silly right now.
But it's fine.
For
It's our
not
podcast.
hot people, I
Yeah.
think we have Splitsvilla.
Yeah, we are roadies.
Real bitch.
Roadies?
Yeah.
No, but like coming back to my point, I initially, like I said, I started watching You Want to Handle because they're really hot. Then I started hate watching them. I was like, ye pagalgiri hai. Like, ye kya hai? But then afterwards, bro, I actually started liking it again. Not not because they are hot or whatever. That is of course there.
Sure.
But it's also very interesting to see how certain couples who started off as red flags, they turned out to be like really successful couples. Because there's this one couple on the recent episode or recent season of Too Hot to Handle, Charlie and Catherine. Okay, and they started off with going with two separate partners, and then they ended up together towards the end of the show or whatever. I don't think they won, but anyway, they are like a very successful couple now.
Aww.
So I mean,
I love that for them.
yeah, I mean, I started with, you know, sort of hate watching them, but I love that I started loving the show because of
Yeah, that happens.
it was a nice. And I'm no longer guilty of watching Too Hot to Handle. I'm actually
I'm
looking
glad
forward
you
to the
got
new
over
episode.
it.
new
Actually,
season.
there is some things that people like to do that they should be embarrassed about, but it's so normalized.
Exactly.
Like, tell me why, you know, being interested or pretending to like art is considered so normal when the act of literally planning your day around going to the art museum at 2 p.m. on a Wednesday is normal. It's not. You're being pretentious and unemployed. Number one,
Yes.
you're not distressed enough in life to make art. In life, you can be two people. You can either appreciate art and have the time and the resources and the mental space to appreciate
it.
art, or you could be
An artist.
an artist who's literally slogging their ass off.
Yes.
Why do you think that guy that did this, Van Gogh made Scream, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Van Gogh made Scream. Why do you think he cut his ear off? Insane. Fucked in the head.
Yeah.
Scream wasn't made by
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh. It was Starry Night that I was
Starry Night,
thinking of.
yes.
Sorry. Anyway, people who go to museum, people who have the time to go to a museum and be like, no, actually, I love art. I think you should be guilty about that. I think you should be guilty about a big chunk of your day and your days rather being just appreciating art. It's like in Bridgerton, if you see, you know, when he went to
Yeah.
the bisexual
Brother. Yeah.
when he went to an arts college just because he could.
Yeah.
Right.
It gives me that, you know, I like art because I can, and I'm not distressed enough to make art, you know.
Okay.
I know the flow broke a little bit, but like try to understand what I'm getting at.
But I don't agree with you.
What's your
Yeah.
stance?
Why do you want to?
Yeah, I mean, you can be someone who appreciates art, but also not equipped enough to make art. And art is very subjective.
Yeah, true. I
So you
will.
can't compare the art that you create to something as good or bad as someone.
I mean, you
create.
appreciate the CST station. That's a piece of art as well. But like, would you go
That's
ahead
so
and try
cute.
to make one?
I love CST.
Yeah, but like, would you go and make yourself?
Yeah.
Would you go and make a CST?
Did you
somewhere
know
else?
about the blueprint debacle?
What?
The
Yeah.
blueprints got switched.
Between another
Country
With
and
us. What?
and yeah, this VT was
Hmm.
supposed to be in another,
CST.
but it was VT when they made
CSMT.
it. But it was supposed to be in another country, in the other
What?
country. Yeah, the
Yeah.
blueprints.
So
got-
what's the replacement? What is that? That was
they
supposed
just
to be in our
switched the
country.
Victoria terminus from the other country. I think it was Morocco or something. I don't know.
I'm not sure, but I just know
What
that
did it get switched with?
Victoria terminus in
Yes.
say Morocco
Okay.
got switched with Victoria
Blueprint.
terminus in Mumbai because the blueprints got switched. British, remember?
Oh, wow.
It was supposed to be a simple thing, and then I was gonna be like, I actually don't know this. This is a lie.
I mean, I've heard it's not
Exactly,
true, right?
it's not true. It's a lie. You're supposed to. So
Why are
every
you
time-
doing this to me?
every time you have like
I'm already lagging, bitch. I've been studying math day in, day out. I'm fasting.
I'm unemployed.
so are we all. Unemployment is all three.
That's common, bitch.
Yeah, that's common.
common.
You want to talk about what you're doing tomorrow morning? Well, what I mean is that every time you have a tourist or a friend,
Appreciating the art of breakfast.
Fuck off.
dosa, Italy, sambar, chutney,
Guys, this cannot go up.
no one's gonna see it. But what I'm saying is, do you every time that there is a tourist or you have somebody with you and they're like, oh, this is a Victoria terminus, and then you throw this fact, and then they'll be like, really?
And they're like,
no, I made that up.
It's a myth.
That's a myth.
Don't do this to
Everyone.
me.
Now you know.
Now I know. Now I'm
Now
going
I'm
to do
gonna
this
do
to
it with
somebody else.
other things.
Yes.
Hey guys, guess what?
No, the other day I was also talking to Nahid, who's one of my best friends, and she had this habit for the longest time. Like, I see you and I having a conversation. You know me. I know you.
Yeah.
I kind of understand the kind of words that you would know. Like, I wouldn't use a word that I think you wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fair.
And then like she would just stop me at times, like for example, the word mortgage. Okay. And I'd be like, oh yeah, I was watching this show, and it was really sad. The characters had to put their house up for mortgage. And then she'd be like, oh, what's mortgage? Just to see how you explain it. Like what? Like she knows, but she'll pretend like she won't know. And she'll just let you explain it.
Oh, that's a great guilty pleasure.
She'll just let you explain it, like, oh, what is mortgage? And then sometimes she also likes to do this where you'll say whatever, explain it. So you know what mortgage is. What is mortgage?
Yeah, so when you buy a house and then you have to pay the loan that you're under mortgage, right?
That's not what that is.
Mortgage is when you have to give rent.
That's not what that is. That's what she does. She says, no, that's not what that is.
But isn't it?
It's that, and also like keeping something girvi.
Girvi.
Huh.
Yeah. So that's what she would do. She like catch people like, no, that's not what that is, actually.
Wow, why would she do that?
It's really mean. It is kind of fun.
So she likes to see people in a position where they're like trembling and like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
wow, that's sadist.
I know, that's what I told her. But it's, low key, if you know how to do it.
Oh,
If it's with people who think they're
Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly.
top of the world,
exactly.
oh, I would love to crush their attitude
Yeah.
Yeah.
by doing that.
What is that? And men
Love
really
that.
like that.
Who like that?
Men really like
To
that.
do
when
that?
Men really like when you ask them something.
Oh, bitch.
So basically,
Mansplain.
mansplain.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then you can like catch them in their mansplaining.
Ooh, I
Mm.
love doing. One of my we discussed this.
Hmm.
Guilty pleasures is annoying men and pissing men off.
Yeah.
I love doing that.
I love making men uncomfortable.
I love it.
Play the
I love
Uno
it.
reverse card.
Have I done this? No, I think I'm too much of a fucking
People pleaser.
No, I don't want to say this because I saw this video of this girl the other day, and I'm like, she was talking about, guys, if before you call yourself a people pleaser, please make sure that you're pleasing people.
Dude, you have a fan account.
I do.
You're at least pleasing one person, and that's enough.
I don't know if he's watching this.
Of course they are, dude. What are you saying?
I don't think he's watching this far.
I mean, if he has made a fan account for you,
He's gonna watch you
definitely-
through and through, babe.
He's gonna watch every second of you talk. Oh my god, that sounds so stalkerish. I mean,
No, that's
fan
not-
pages
that's-
are
That's
stalkerish.
very you.
I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Even I'm grateful.
I don't know. I really don't know how to act.
No, it's
Guys,
a very-
I was not meant to be famous.
It's a very mixed feeling that you
Yeah.
get when you
Correct,
get a
right?
fan page. I don't know what that feels like. I haven't made. I made it actually. I've not had that made for myself, but I can imagine that
I'll
being
make
a
one for
very
you.
make no please. I can imagine that being a very
Very
confusing,
very
out
confusing.
of body feeling.
Because the posts that they have are also not the very same
Recent.
pictures of you.
Yeah.
And they're not recent at all. They're pre-COVID,
Yeah.
those pictures.
but like you also don't have a lot of pictures, so it's not weird for.
does.
I have a bunch of pictures.
You don't. I mean, with like a couple of scrolls, you can reach the end.
No.
Yes.
No.
Actually, no.
Yes.
I don't think you've stalked me enough. Sometimes my fucking account.
Coming to stalking, one of my guilty pleasures is stalking the three of y'all.
Yeah.
Like Sanj, Rush, Zia, and my other three best friends.
What?
I would,
What?
yeah, I will randomly stalk you guys. Like,
See, that's why she knows. And I know because
yes!
I know
That's
this
why
is
I
my
know.
account.
So wait, do you have over 100 posts?
No. I think it's around 48.
Exactly.
What? Bang on. What?
No, that was 48 actually. Damn.
Are you my stalker?
I just pictured your account and the only number I could see was 48.
You
posts.
How
have
many
to
do I
check that,
have?
Maitri. Can you check that?
35?
Actually, I'm not sure.
Okay, she claims that I have 35 and you have 48.
We'll see.
Around.
We'll see if she's guilty.
What?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're looking at how many posts I have. You have 51.
Oh, okay.
That's
not
fucking
bad.
close. That's
So
3.
that's very close.
And she claimed that I have 35. Oh,
Not
I
that.
have 42. What the fuck?
42.
What have
are
I
you- what are
posted?
you
What are you
doing?
doing?
What have I posted?
What a whore.
What a friggin' slut. My slut bangs are out as well. What a slut.
Dosa, Italy.
Fuck you, Zia.
Maja hai.
Oh my god. Where were we? Yeah.
We were talking about art, and I had a really shit take apparently.
I think you did, yes.
It was, yeah, I was very
Maybe I had it,
lukewarm.
you
It was
know,
not hot, it was lukewarm.
It's okay if I have shit takes sometimes.
Yeah, it's okay.
We love shiitake.
Shut up.
No, then like your shit takes are what like gets clipped and like gets you cancelled.
Hashtag love.
But if you've agreed to a mistake, then it's fine. Like if you
Ah,
claim,
tell them that.
guys, she's claimed that she made a shit take, so let her be.
It's fine.
Yeah,
I
be.
also like art.
But is this something, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people do this, is that you put off buying certain things just because you know that your parents will buy it for you.
No.
No, I actually don't want my parents to buy anything for me ever.
Yeah.
What? No, not like big things, but like petty things, dude.
Like what?
Like, I know that I've wanted this mascara for a while now,
Mhm.
and other than the fact that I'm also broke, but I mean, I just ended up using like the old mascara for a really long time until I finally had the courage to ask my mom. And I was like, hey, Ma, can you buy this for me? And she was like, okay. I know she wouldn't say no, but it's like you said, it's also weird to ask your parents. You know, you
I
just.
hate it.
I
it's just,
hate
That's
that.
like, that's
I
like
know.
top 10 worst feelings in the world is asking something from your parents.
Yes.
And I know that, they should and they won't say no, blah, 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 blah. I don't want that. Never to be on
I
them.
know, exactly. I mean, even now, whenever.
But would you want your kids to ask you if they like anything or if they want anything?
Actually, no. Get it yourself.
really?
Because I did that. I went through that. Now you also go through that. That's really toxic. No, guys, if you're my kid and you're watching this, you can ask
no,
me
I
for
am going to
whatever.
shamelessly ask my parents for what I want, and I want my kids also to ask me. That's fine.
I want my kids to.
I mean,
ask
to a
me.
certain age, if you're like 30 asking me for
Bitch,
like a
fuck
beer,
no.
I'm not going to buy you beer,
Yes.
you know.
Fuck no.
Okay.
So, like that. So, Yeah, I mean, I just.
So
I
wait,
have
if you're-
certain
if
things in
you're-
mind that I want to get for myself with the money I earn. It doesn't matter if it takes 10 years or 15 years for me to get
Yeah,
that.
no, that's what I'm saying. It's not like big things like a car and a house or
It's
something.
not. It's as small as a shoe, like a pair of shoe.
even smaller.
A pair of one shoe.
Pair of shoes. It's as small as that. It
Pair of
doesn't have to
scissors.
weigh like a.
One side.
That's a knife.
Oh shit. Oh my god, two knives are like scissors. Oh fuck, we're like dumb right now.
She did that.
Yeah. Anyway.
Okay.
But yeah, that's just something I like doing to my band.
Okay.
You like manipulate. I spat across the room.
But yeah, I
You
love
like manipulating them. That's your guilty pleasure.
Yeah, but it's okay because it's child safe.
Actually, you know what? I sometimes with parents, it's I don't say I wouldn't say I like, you know, kind of making them feel like they're dumb, but sometimes I do it.
Sometimes it's very important.
Oh, I just realized I love one of my greatest. Sorry, did you finish your point?
Yeah.
got a little,
Oh!
I got a little over enthusiastic.
Yeah, and
but
to-
I love fighting with my dad.
Yeah.
I love having arguments with him because I know that I bring points which he doesn't agree with sometimes.
oh, I do that with my mom.
Oh.
Yeah, basically a parent.
Yeah, yeah,
fighting
yeah,
with a
Oh my
parent.
God, yes.
Like you bring in a point and you know that they're going to disagree with it, but you just
You're
say it with a
acting-
full
yeah.
chest and you're like, मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, what are you going to do about it?
Yes.
And then you also like defend. So it's very exhausting. I don't recommend it. I recommend
is.
doing it every day. But like when you spew logic to your parents and they don't have an answer,
Oh, I love it.
Oof.
that is satisfying. But it's few and far between. So I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't
Yeah.
recommend it.
You're same.
But like, if you really want to put your point across, and you just know कि मतलब सामने वाला इंसान को नहीं समझने वाला है, but तुमको बस बोलना है, because you want to get it out of your mouth, out of your chest, do it.
Generally, I like making people feel dumb. I actually also think.
Yes, that is very you.
I actually
You
also
just said that to me, bitch.
sorry. I actually also think that I have more intelligent thoughts than the people around me.
I have that when I'm alone. When I'm
Yeah.
talking to myself, usually I don't know how my conversations are suddenly so intellectual and as if I am some
Right?
like Baba or something,
Yeah.
and I have attained enlightenment, and
So-
I know everything that is there to know.
Yeah, because sometimes it's not like I'll think about it and then if I say it out loud, I surprise myself. I'm like, whoa, what?
Yes,
What the fuck did you just say?
Exactly.
And then
Also,
yeah,
like-
I either have to write it down or something or put it in my notes app.
One thing I forgot to bring up completely was that the thing with the embarrassing bit. Like I want to stop being embarrassed, and then I
Yes.
got reminded of your real scrolling experience from yesterday.
Oh my god, yeah.
that you told me about, and you were not at all guilty about it.
about okay, so
About your
Kritika-
real
Oh yes.
scrolling.
Yeah, so yesterday, so I have like when I'm scrolling Instagram in the night, I have these like certain times when all my reels are like bangers, like banger after banger, and I enjoy them myself.
Mm.
I don't share with anyone. I am having my moment with my feed that I have created with my algorithm,
No, that's
and
very
it is slapping reel after reel, and I do not मुझे किसी के साथ वो reel share नहीं करनी.
guilty.
I am already betrayed by Zia with Wordle. I cannot be betrayed by you as well.
Shut up. We let it
No, but
go.
I
No.
The both of us share great reels. Fuck you.
My only thing was I'm too embarrassed to hit the share button.
With your friend. Guilty.
I am guilty. Yeah. It's not a pleasurable experience though. I'm
Fuck you.
sorry. I just find the act of
Can you not differentiate that which person will like which reel that you
That
see?
is what it is, right? I'm being a tryhard.
No, but if I know that I have a certain reel and I know if you like it, I'm gonna send it to you, right?
I am a shitty person.
We got that.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Fucking Wordle and now this. Matlab, what's more to see in this friendship, bro?
Bro, they'll start hating me. My one fan will go away.
No. अच्छी है यार. GC पे reel भेजती है, funny वाले reel भेजती है.
I actually
Yes.
send good reels, but they're few and far between.
I just remembered that reel that you sent in the
Dum
morning.
aloo.
I can't stop thinking about dum aloo.
Tell them.
You can't.
Tell them.
When तेरे कान में दम नहीं, तेरे कान में दम है तो आलू भी होगा.
मैं नहा के निकली हूँ, मैं अंडर प्रेशर हूँ कि मुझे स्टूडियो पे टाइम पे से पहुंचना है. And I see that reel, I'm like,
swear. That's so funny.
made by morning.
Peak.
Peak.
Yes.
Peak.
Love that.
Oh, we should leave this episode on a peak too, I think.
Yeah, what emoji do we ask in the
Oh.
comment?
यहाँ तक देख लिया ब्रो, बहुत स्ट्रांग हो, ये वाली इमोजी डाल देना.
Strong brain.
Oh yeah, just to put like the
The
muscle,
muscle
dole
emoji,
shoulder.
और जिसको भी चाहिए था ये रील्स पे.
Oh my god, do this. But yeah, if you have stayed up until like now, don't forget to comment the Dole Shole. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with anyone and everyone you like. Actually,
Everybody,
do it.
actually.
Everyone.
Send
And
it
I
to
dare
your
you.
family group.
Comment your
Yes.
guilty pleasure.
Oh my god, send it to your office group and send it to your college group. Do it.
Yeah. Office group.
Baapre.
What, unofficial or with CEO?
With CEO, with
अरे
founder,
भेज
with
दो यार.
everyone.
With
भेज दो.
founder.
Do you want to go ahead and tell them what to do next?
If you're listening to us on Spotify, please give us a good rating. Or any audio streaming platforms, please give us a good rating on there.
Dritika's bad at her job. Follow us on Instagram. Tweet us around. Like all of our reels. Especially the ones with Dritika in it.
Because we love
Because-
Dhritika.
We do. Anyway, until
Until
next
then.
time.
Stay patient.